Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amazon Influencer Program for commission boosting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate the Amazon Influencer Program, start by visiting the Amazon homepage. Scroll to the bottom of the page and locate the Become an Influencer link. Click on the link to go to the Amazon Influencer Program sign up page. You will need to sign in with your existing Amazon account or create a new one if necessary. Once signed in, you will see a prompt to connect your social media accounts. Choose the platforms where you have a significant following, such as Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook. Amazon will evaluate your accounts based on your follower count and engagement. After your social media accounts are submitted, await approval from Amazon. This process may take a few days, so be patient during the review period. Once approved, log back into the Amazon Influencer dashboard. You will find tools to create your personalized storefront. Select products that resonate with your audience and add them to your storefront. Use high-quality images and engaging descriptions to attract visitors. After setting up your storefront, share the link on your social media platforms. Encourage your followers to explore your recommendations. Monitor your performance through the dashboard to track clicks and sales. This will help you identify which products are popular with your audience. Adjust your strategy based on the data to maximize your commissions. Regularly update your storefront with new products and content to keep it fresh. Engage with your followers to build a loyal community around your recommendations. Keep learning about best practices for content creation and audience engagement. Stay informed about new Amazon policies and product offerings to optimize your strategy. Following these steps will help you successfully activate the Amazon Influencer Program and start boosting your commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.